Welcome to Metro Vancouver Close-Up, your look at sustainability in Metro Vancouver. Across Metro Vancouver, about 2,500 single-family homes are demolished each year, with an average 50 tons of wood waste in each. Municipal bylaws that require demolition recycling are helping keep that wood available as a resource and build the green economy. The City of Richmond's bylaw is one of the latest. It's a reality of our growing region that when a new house is being built, it usually means that an old one has been torn down. And that creates a lot of waste.
Construction and demolition waste is the biggest portion of Metro Vancouver's waste stream. Currently, we estimate about 1.6 million tons is generated each year. 75% of it's recycled. However, that still amounts to approximately 400,000 tons going to disposal.
Metro Vancouver, which manages waste for the region, has been exploring several ways to chip away at wood waste, which represents at least half of all construction and demolition waste. One approach has been to support member municipalities at the permits and bylaws stage.
Metro Vancouver has come up with a model bylaw which talks about the recycling of the demolition waste. And Richmond is one of the leaders to follow that model bylaw. And so we have introduced a bylaw which says that if you are going to demolish a single-family dwelling, then you have to recycle 70% of the materials.
The bylaw is enabled by way of a refundable $2 a square foot fee based on the size of the home that's being torn down.
So once the building has been demolished, the demolition contractors will need to provide us weigh scale tickets so we can determine how much actually went to recycling facilities, how much was disposed. Under our bylaw, if they meet 70% recycling of all the materials, they will get 100% of their $2 per square foot fee back.
Almost all recycled wood is brought to construction recycling facilities, like this one in Coquitlam, where different materials are separated out.
Recycled wood is typically going to a pulp and paper mill or to a local cement kiln, and these large industrial facilities use it as fuel, alternative fuel source, to power their processes.
Alongside this bulk scale approach to diverting waste is research into diversified markets, including those related to home deconstruction, where wood and other building materials are carefully removed by hand. The reclaimed wood supports a green economy, as it can be used in millwork, finishes, and flooring.
I think it's a winning situation in terms of taking materials out of the landfill. In Richmond, we will be able to take about 40,000 tons out of the waste stream using this model bylaw each year. So I think it's a very significant reduction, and other cities have also adopted this approach, but I'm hopeful that all the cities will be taking this approach in the very near future.